Hey there again, guys, and we're back again for a new Design Takeover! Just testing out some effects in my soundboard. This review is a little bit late. I've just been really busy. Here is another feedback request from r/UX Design. Hello, UX Design. Evelyn and Kenny here. We are both at UC San Diego and we are currently working on our campus mobile team to redesign our UCST mobile application. For this redesign, we are tasked with changing the look of the news feature. Okay? Links on the design, the test video or lower quality animations, refer to the images. Any feedback at all would help us tremendously and would greatly appreciate it. While Evelyn and Kenny get ready for some spicy feedback. So in summary, this is a news car design. These two have been tasked to redesign the newsfeed of UC San Diego. So I've searched around and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, this is the news portal for UC San Diego. So the drill is, I will create my own redesign for this application so that you would see a comparison of what I think would be a nice look or feature for this application, and give or take, you might learn something. Here's a quick montage of the process, and I'll be back again later. Thank you again for those people who stuck around. And it's feedback time again, guys. So the first feedback would be reference your designs. This would be getting some inspiration on Dribbble, Pinterest, Google or Behance, and then try to imitate the elements that you would like to see on your application. So here, as you can see, are my designs, and here are the references of my designs. So when you're starting out, guys, it's better to take a design reference and put your personal spin on it. So for this example, I've created 2 dashboards for the news. The first version would be with the top stories, with the events, and the recommended feed for individual users. This recommended feed can be personalized by the own preferences of the user by clicking on settings, and the preference screen would show. And then the version 2 of the dashboard would be, I feel that this is much more closer to your designs actually. So there are 2 tabs, which is the news and the events. So I just concentrated on the news tab, and I put first the quick filters for all the categories of the news, then all the top stories, and then the recommended feed for the user. I've added this quick bookmark button if the user wants to bookmark it and read it later. I'm just throwing in some few idea features so that you can jumpstart some new ideas of your own. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 would be to respect the source of the branding. So if you want to match the branding of your news portal, I can see here that the public news portal for UC San Diego has a font that is called Proxima Nova. So you want to use a font that is similar to that. I know that Proxima Nova is not free, so I would recommend to use a free font like Source Sans or Roboto. You can also download an extension that is called WhatFont so that you could quickly identify the font on a website. Along with feedback number 2, this goes hand to hand with feedback number 3, which is to use what is frequently used. So rather than going with the 2 column cards that you have created, think about it this way. If you're looking on a certain news feed, let us put for example a Facebook feed, a Twitter feed, or just a Reddit feed. Looking at this individual mobile application, do you see them listed as right to left or with 2 columns? I think you both know the answer to that. So these 3 applications list their feeds from top to bottom. With just one simple swipe, they can browse easily or scan easily the news feed. And using this format, I could do this thing. I could insert an event or an advertisement inside a news feed. If there is an important event or gathering, you can insert it inside the news feed. So I really like the way you both animated the drill down of the news feed. I would like to suggest some features like the bookmark feature and have also the back arrow for the users who are not familiar with the pull up or pull down action. I've added also the subscribe button here and the quick filters by category button. And that's it, I think. Anyway, guys, I hope this improves your UI. And I'm very impressed that you actually designed and coded this also with animations and stuff. I know that's already a lot for both of you to do. And I wish you all the best for this project. So thank you, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see other UI feedback videos. Hope you stay awesome and have a good one.